Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to log out from Messenger on Android. So to do that, let's head over to our Messenger application. Once you are there, head over to the three lines icon on the bottom. And here go to settings and scroll to the bottom. And here, as you can see, there is no option to log out. So what we need to do is just to head over to our Facebook application. So I'm in here on my Facebook application. So once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines at the top right. Now go to your settings option. S- So scroll down, go to activity log. Now scroll down and go to logged information. And here go to security and login information. Go to where you're logged in. Now here you'll find the places where you are logged in with your Facebook account. You have to tap on the three dots and tap on Logout. So yeah, this is how easily you can log out from your uh, Messenger on your Facebook. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.